Here are a few common asset protection mistakes to avoid. Number one, thinking you don't have enough assets to protect. Let's bust that myth right now. Asset protection isn't just for the super wealthy. In fact, those with a net worth of between $300,000 and $3 million are prime targets for lawsuits. If you've got $300,000 and face a $500,000 lawsuit, that's a serious threat to your lifestyle. Number two, not hiring a law firm when you begin doing your asset protection planning. It may be tempting to create a do-it-yourself asset protection plan or use a document preparation company, but don't make this mistake. Partnering with a law firm ensures that your communications are protected by the attorney-client privilege. This protection is essential for your plan's success, keeping your sensitive information confidential. Choosing the wrong attorney. Not all attorneys have the expertise you need for asset protection. Look for someone who specializes in this field. An experienced attorney will be up to date with the latest regulations and will have solid connections with trust companies and other offshore providers. At my firm, we focus exclusively on offshore asset protection, and I travel extensively to make sure we have the best tools and network available for our clients. Next, picking the wrong trustee. If you're considering an offshore asset protection trust, selecting the right trustee is critical. The trustee plays a vital role in managing your trust assets. At Blake Harris Law, we collaborate with the world's most reputable trust companies and the safest banks to ensure your assets are managed safely and effectively. Relying solely on insurance. Insurance is helpful, but not a substitute for a comprehensive asset protection plan. While it can shield you from specific claims, it won't protect your assets from all lawsuits. A solid asset protection strategy is necessary for real peace of mind. Banking on a single-member LLC alone. Single-member LLCs can help reduce exposure to lawsuits, but they don't provide real asset protection. They're great for limiting liability related to specific assets, but they shouldn't be your only line of defense. Using a domestic asset protection trust. Domestic asset protection trusts might sound appealing, but they have significant vulnerabilities. Courts can easily break them, which makes them far less reliable compared to offshore trust, where your assets get much better protection. Trusting a successor trustee trust or a trust which can be moved offshore later, these alternative trusts might seem like a cost-effective option, but they may not deliver the promised protection when the time comes. In reality, a genuine offshore asset protection trust provides the strongest defense against legal claims and creditors. If you're going to do something, do it the right way. Waiting too long to take action. Lawsuits can happen unexpectedly, and the cost can be staggering. The sooner you take action to protect your assets, the better. Don't wait for a legal issue to arise. Be proactive. Not properly funding your trust. Establishing a trust is only half the battle. It needs to be funded correctly to safeguard your assets. Whether it's cash, real estate, stock, or even crypto, make sure you follow the funding process carefully to avoid leaving assets vulnerable. Neglecting IRS reporting requirements. With a foreign trust, you have IRS reporting obligations. Staying compliant is crucial for keeping your trust in good standing. We recommend working with a CPA to ensure your filings are timely and accurate. At Blake Harris Law, we provide our clients detailed instructions on how to complete your reporting requirements and can help connect you with a trusted CPA to assist with these filing requirements. To wrap it up, avoiding these common mistakes when setting up your asset protection plan is essential. The safety of your hard-earned assets depends on it. If you have questions or want to learn more about how to protect yourself from lawsuits, don't hesitate to reach out. Our team at Blake Harris Law is here and ready to help.